So today I'm just gonna build a simple, very soft and romantic, slightly organic bouquet using the spiral method. And it's pretty much my new favorite way to build a bouquet. And we can build it quickly. And that's what I'm gonna do, is just like sloppy and fast, and I'll show you at the end how we can pull it together. And it takes a while for that spiral to take shape. And I think why I did not use the spiral method for so many years was because I always thought spiral could only be used for super rounded bouquets. And that was popular when I was a new florist, but not so much now. People want them a little bit more organic and softer. So why do I grab what I grab when I grab it? I mainly just kind of take turns. And I really don't start paying attention to the bouquet until it gets a little bit further down the line. So one thing that I do pay attention to as I'm building is letting flowers that are a little bit more sensitive, like the scabiosa is kind of delicate, this lisianthus. If I had ranunculus, I elevate them a little bit. Now I can pull them down later, but I do this to protect the flower. So now it's starting to take shape. It might not be the exact shape I'm gonna end with, but I don't mind it. And I'm probably like 5 minutes in.